And over the passage of time, period of time, what was left, as pointed out by Dr. Naval, was only limited, very, very limited, small.
Several provisions came to be applied, no difficulty. But the core of the J&K constitution has remained intact till date, which I will indicate to your Lordship. So therefore, your Lordship will see that it is in 1951 that Yuvraj convened the Constituent Assembly to frame the constitution. What is the authority by which he could do so? His authority to convene the Constituent Assembly has not been questioned anywhere. So therefore, J&K Constitution is a constitutional document. That's the only conclusion possible. Now my submission is going to be that no matter how widely you interpret the power under 371D, the core of the J&K Constitution must remain. And what is that core? So kindly come to J&K Constitution. That is in volume 2. So in the first place, the state.
So can you itemize the core? I mean, can you just sort of summarize what would be the core?
The core I am indicating, that is part 5 and part 6 of the J&K Constitution.
That is the executive.
That is part 5 is executive and part 6 is the legislature.
Additional document volume 2. Additional document.
Sir, when the constitution was ushered in,
Which is one more provision? Part 5 is the
executive, governor, council of
Part 6
ministers,
is the legislature, and what else?
and the legislature.
These two.
And kindly see,
You said one more.
section 3 and 4. Sections 3
Document compilation. Document volume.
and 5. That is part 2.
Yes.
Now the state of Jammu and Kashmir has its origin also in this, its continuation. It originally existed. There is a long history which has been set out in Ramnath Kaul's case, right up to Independence 1947 Act, Treaty of Accession, etc. Now kindly see the territory, section 4. Constitution.
पूरा वही document है.
The territory, the PDF page is 18. The territory of the state shall comprise all territories which on the 15th day of August 1947 were under the sovereignty and suzerainty of the ruler of the state. Now this is the territorial integrity of the state. Now there is no provision in the Constitution of India by which the J&K Constitution can be abrogated. There is no express provision. The only question is whether through the route of 371D this can be achieved. Now this depends upon the question, because Article 370 itself recognizes the Constituent Assembly. And the concept of Constituent Assembly is that it's a sovereign body.